Hello, mi gente. Welcome to another episode of Kelvin's Kitchen. Today we're making Mofongo de camarones, or in English, shrimp mofongo. Let's go over the ingredients. We are using 2 plantains. I cut them into about half-inch slices. You need salt to taste, 1 tablespoon of butter, 3 garlic cloves, they are minced, black pepper, half a cup of chicken stock, preferably warm, pilón, a mortar, and frying oil. Here I have my pan on medium-high heat, and we're going to fry the plantains in, and then we'll mash them in the mortar or pilón. Before you put the plantains in, make sure that the oil is pretty hot. We will fry the plantains until golden brown. Hey guys, so at this point the oil is pretty hot. We can start frying the plantain. It should take about 5 to 7 minutes to cook evenly. Hey guys, my plantains have been cooking for about 5 to 6 minutes. I'm going to give it another minute or so. So this is pretty much the color that you're looking for. It's that nice yellow golden color. We'll get them out of the oil in about a minute. So these guys are ready. They cook for about 8 minutes. One way to know when they're ready is when they no longer sit at the bottom of the pan, but they start to float in the oil. Okay, at this point, we are putting our plantains in the mortar or pilón. We add the butter. Now, my garlic. And don't go too crazy with the salt, just a little bit at a time. About half a teaspoon should do it. If it needs more salt, you can always add more. And some black pepper. Start putting the plantains in. Could add a little bit of your chicken stock. You will mash the plantains until they're nice and consistent with the texture. The rest of our chicken stock. So the mofongo is ready. I'm just going to scoop it out, set it aside while I make my shrimp. So let's go ahead and make our shrimp. Here I have 8 large shrimp, clean and deveined. I have my skillet on high heat. I'm going to sprinkle some olive oil. Let that get nice and hot. For the sauce, I am using garlic and herb packet. Just follow the instructions on the packet. I have some starch to thicken the sauce. Once the sauce is ready, I will sprinkle some salt and pepper on the shrimp. Let's go ahead and start cooking our shrimp. Make sure that the pan is really hot. And we're going to cook the shrimp for about 3 minutes. Let's go ahead and pour some of our garlic and herb sauce onto the skillet. One teaspoon of cornstarch just to thicken the sauce. The shrimp smells so good. Smell the garlic. Mmm, tasty. Yummy, yummy for my tummy. So the shrimps are ready. Let's go ahead and plate our mofongo. And here you have it, guys. Mofongo de camarones, or shrimp mofongo. If you guys enjoyed this recipe, please go ahead and subscribe. Check out other recipes. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Thanks for watching.